This is the hashtag WeJoy 5-positioning lawn chair, and let me just kind of like go over the specs with you real quick. I have it in one of the kind of upright seated position, but the overall height of this thing right here is about 14.5 inches that way, and when it's in its lower down length, if you want to lower it, you just do that. When it's in this length that's lower down here, it's almost 75 inches, so it's a little over 23 inches going this way. Max load right here in the center is 264 pounds, and that's just not dispersed load, that's just max load going straight down. So if you're sitting on it on its side, you could disperse the load and be a little heavier with it. It's not a heavy chair for carrying around, but that was one of the things that was a little difficult. I wish it had a better handle for carrying it around, but you know what, once you fold it up, it's fine. And let me kind of show you some things. It has a removable pillow. This pillow right here is on a Velcro kind of elastic, and you could take that pillow on and off. It's very comfortable because it has these elastic bungees that kind of like give way when you're sitting down on it. This is a very tough material. This is like waterproof, stain proof, you know, pretty much everything proof. Doesn't get hot. You don't have to worry about it being 3,000 degrees in the sun. Right here, that's very sturdy there, and this is aluminum. All of this is anodized aluminum railings, tubular right there. It has these plastic feet that help get down into the sand really good. If you look at it, you can see it's a very tough plastic footing right there on all of them. Fits down fine, and you can fold this bottom one up. These lock into place, by the way, so when they're out, they're kind of locked in. You almost have to kind of kick them to get them to go out. So this has 4 different types of sitting there, and then you lift that up, and then it'll go all the way down like that, and that's number 5, and technically 6. So you technically have 6 different settings. You do have a removable side pocket, a good spot for like, say like a cell phone. You could put your cell phone down there. You can put water bottle. Very nice that they added that feature to it also. Chair comes in up to 5 different colors. If you want to have a different color than what you're seeing here, this is kind of like that light blue color, but there's a black, there's a red, there's a darker blue. There's several other colors that you could go with on this lawn chair. If you just choose, if you didn't like this color right here, but I absolutely love this color right here. This kind of matches the beach vibe. Let me go ahead and fold it up and show you the overall size of it when it's folded up. So there it is, completely folded up. And when it's in its folded up position, you know, you're looking at 29 inches this way and 23 and a little over 23 going this way. So it's a nice, easily compact, very easy to fold up, and then you would just grab it by this handle right here, and then you just carry it just like that. 10 seconds, I could have this thing laid out on the beach somewhere and secure my spot and be ready to just kind of hang out. Highly recommend this item. I've been using it and absolutely love it. Anyone that's looking for like a lawn chair type chair to just kind of lounge around the beach, campsite, or whatever, maybe even around the house. I'm here at home, and this is where I use it also. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got today on the WeJoy 5-positioning folding lawn chair. See you guys out on the water. Woo!